Hello, I'm Waswa with my colleague Babire from Jeep, and we are going to show you how to make shoe polish.
So the things we need are 100 grams of petroleum jelly, that is equivalent to 5 spoons, 100 grams of charcoal dust, that is also equivalent to 5 spoons of charcoal dust, 100 grams of paraffin, that is also equivalent to 5 spoons, and 100 grams of castor oil. Now the process is we first put 100 grams of petroleum jelly into our saucepan. So the next thing we put in is 100 grams of castor oil that are also equivalent to 5 spoons. And the importance of castor oil is that it acts as a shiner for our shoe polish. As you mix, you make sure that you mix it thoroughly so that it becomes one uniform mixture. The next thing we put in this mixture of petroleum jelly and castor oil is our paraffin. So this is 100 grams of paraffin that is also equivalent to 5 tablespoons of paraffin. So we add it to our mixture and then also stir. After you finished mixing it well, you add the 100 grams of sieved charcoal dust. So you first put a few and you leave about 2 spoons on your, like on this, in this case you're going to leave about a spoon or 2 on this paper. So we first mix that one. So remember we kept our spoon, so we are going to add it to our mixture and also stir. After mixing it well, this is our final product and it is ready for packing.